Hello friends, this is Manoj Goyal from the Wall Street School. Due to our success in placing thousands of students in the core field of finance and helping many bootstrap their careers in the core field of finance even when they had no other way to get started, many students and aspiring candidates have reached out to us regarding our flagship investment banking program and our placements with it. This video will be based on helping students understanding how our program will help them gain required skills to start their careers in the field of finance, especially how we at the Wall Street School will be beneficial for you with our placement assistance using a recruiters network of 200 plus companies which include Big Fours and various large and boutique investment banks across India. Feel free to navigate around this video to know details of the course including faculty, course structure, curriculum, placements, fees, etc. So friends, if you think this program is right for you, join us to bootstrap your career in the field of finance. See you there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are fit, fine and safe. In today's video, I'll be addressing few of the very frequently asked questions related to our certification in financial modeling and valuations flagship program. The first thing that people generally ask, who can take up this course? Whether am I eligible for this course or not? Then who will be the faculties who will be mentoring us? What is the qualification of those faculties, experience of those faculties? Then I'll be talking about the structure of the course. Then I'll be telling you what exactly you will be learning during this entire course. What will be the duration of the course and what are the modes of delivery for this course. The placement process that we follow at the Wall Street School and the profiles that you could be expecting to work after getting placed through us. Then I'll be giving you a very small but illustrative list of recruiters that hire through the Wall Street School. And then finally, I'll be addressing the fees that we charge. Okay, now let us talk about who can take up this course. See, as such, there is no eligibility criteria, but what we do is to make sure you get the best of us from us and we are able to deliver our best, we conduct a small interview before getting you enrolled. Right, especially for live batches and face-to-face batches. So what happens is you will have a very small interview session with the founder and he will make sure that if in case you join, you are able to make best of your time, right? If in case we feel that this won't add value to your time, we clearly say no. So like a typical certification in financial modeling and valuation batch looks like 30% of the students are chartered accountants or the students who are pursuing chartered accountancy. Around 27% of the students in general are MBA, typically MBA finance, CFAs or the candidates who are pursuing CFA. Then we have some engineers, around 18%, graduates from other streams, around 18%, and some working professionals, especially on our weekdays batch, around 7%. Right, so this is how a typical batch is structured. Obviously your mileage may vary. Some batch could have 15% of chartered accountants and say 35% of engineers. It really depends, but on an average this is broadly have been structured in last many years. Now let me address, if in case you want to ask something that's not being addressed by this video, what you can do is every few weeks Himanshu sir, the founder of the institute, takes a live webinar. So you can click on this link, attend the exclusive webinar. It will redirect you to this page, register for that webinar, and once in every few weeks when the webinar goes live, you will be sent an email. You can join the webinar and then you can ask whatever questions you have. Okay, now let me address the faculties that will be taking care of you. So the faculties have very rich experience in real life as well as they are academically very much qualified. So generally the faculties are industry veterans who have work experience in McKinsey, ICRA, EY, PwC, HSBC, Citibank, right? You get the idea. Other than that, there are ex-investment bankers who have work experience in Goldman and Times Private Equity. And then there are some academicians whose qualifications are, at least they are chartered accountants, CFA and FRM. So the faculties are really balanced. There is rich enough experience in the industry as well as academically they are really strong. So you don't need to worry about the quality of the content. Now let me address what is the structure of the course. See, our approach to learning is multi-step. What we do is, first of all, we start from the very basic. We start from MS Excel. Now the question arises, why MS Excel? We can do financial modeling on any spreadsheet software, let's say Google Sheet also. But industry wide, 99% of the time you will be using MS Excel in your real life. So we start from very basic of MS Excel and we move towards advanced MS Excel. After completing this, we start with basic of accounting. We don't do advanced accounting. We are not here to be accountants. We learn basics of accounting that you should know to prepare financial model. We develop couple of financial model, the phase 3 of the course, from basic financial model to financial models of public company. Then we move towards valuing those companies. So we move towards from financial modeling to valuation. See, Excel was a means to an end, that is financial modeling. Financial modeling is also means to an end, is decision making, right? End goal is ultimately the decision making, and decision making could only be done in the field of finance when you have valuations available with you. If you are looking for investment banking, equity research kind of profiles, so you'll be learning valuations, very fine nitty-gritties of it, and ultimately you'll have to appear for a test before getting your certification. So this is how we have structured the program in 5 phases. We start from the very basic one, then we ultimately move towards the advanced concepts, right? So even if you are new to something, it will be completely fine if in case you follow with the class. Now let me tell you in detail about the content of the course. What will you learn exactly? So first of all, we start with basic MS Excel. Very basic MS Excel. A person who is new to all these things will also be able to cope up. Then we move towards basics of accounting. Basic is now done. Basics of accounting, basic of MS Excel. Then we move towards advanced MS Excel. And I would want to be very clear, we cannot and we do not learn the entire MS Excel features available. We learn MS Excel for finance specifically, right? And after advanced MS Excel, we move towards basics of financial modeling. So we prepare a 3-statement financial model, start from the very basic one. Then we move towards intermediate financial model. That's not too easy, but it's not too difficult also. Then we move towards advanced financial models, in which we take real life case study. We prepare it for a fictitious company first, and then we move towards preparing financial model of a public company. Then we move towards intrinsic valuation. After completing the modeling, the next step is the module 4 is intrinsic valuation and relative valuation. We deploy all the techniques used by investment bankers to value the company. Then we summarize the valuation in something called as football field analysis. And after football field analysis, we talk about merger model. So these are all the things that you will be learning in the course, right? And few additions are going on in the course. So with time, the course is evolving. So if you're watching this video 6 months down the line, few more things could be added to the course. And after all this, your assessment test is there. So whatever you have learned from the very beginning, basic MS Excel to the merger model, we assess before giving you the certifications, right? And after this, let me talk about the duration and the delivery of the course. First of all, let me talk about the duration of the course. This course is offered for weekdays also and for weekends also. If you are enrolling for weekdays, it will be a 6-week program, Monday to Friday. Class timing is generally around 9:30 to 3:30, right? On all 5 days of the week, Monday to Friday, from 9:30 to 3:30, right? Generally, it is a much more regressive course, a very slow moving course, so that a person who is new to all this can also grasp. So cumulatively, we study around 180 hours, right? And then if you are a working professional, for you it is not suitable to join on weekdays. So there is a course offered for you, a weekend program, a little bit fast paced. Everything that we cover in weekdays program, we cover it in weekends also. But since working professionals are a bit more mature, they have work experience, they have capability to absorb more pressure, it is structured around 120 hours, and this weekend course lasts for around 2.5 months, right? Now let me talk about the mode of delivery. So the classroom bootcamp was offered earlier before COVID. Now once the COVID situation normalizes, so if you are watching this video say 6 months after it is released, there's a high probability the classroom bootcamp would have reopened. So there was a face-to-face learning. Then currently what we offer is live training, instructor-led live training on Zoom. Along with it, there is also self-placed videos. So what you can do is you can watch pre-recorded videos as per your convenience. So in total 3 options: classroom bootcamp once the COVID situation normalizes, There is currently instructor-led live training going on Zoom calls. Along with it, you can buy also pre-recorded video lectures. Okay, now let us talk about the placement process and the profiles that you are expected to work once you get placed through us. Before doing that, I want to make two things very clear. First of all, we are not an HR company, right? We receive many queries. I don't want to take up your course. I just want to get placed because I have all the skills. Then like we cannot help you, right? We can only provide placement to the candidates whom we trust that have been trained adequately, and then we give them placement support. Secondly, it is optional. If in case you don't want placement support, you don't need to make provision for this in the form of fee payment, right? So the placement process and profile, it is very easy. First of all, you need to get enrolled with us. After enrolling you, we will be training you very rigorously, and once we are confident you have been trained enough, you will be able to crack the interviews. We help you to prepare resume, and once this is finalized, you are given access to the Wall Street School exclusive job portal in which jobs are placed on day-to-day basis. If in case you find any job that is relevant for you, you see you fit the qualification, experience, or whatever it is, then you can message the HR team of the Wall Street School. I am really interested in this job, and our HR team will forward your resume and your profile to the respective company, and ultimately if in case you are able to crack the interview, you will be getting placed. So our role is to connect you with the potential employers. We cannot guarantee placement as such, right? You have to go out and speak in interviews. What we can do is to train you the best we can so that you are able to crack the interviews, right? Now let's talk about the profiles that generally people get placed. They are placed at investment bank as investment banking associate, valuation associate, valuation consultant, equity research analyst, debt syndication analyst, and financial modeling analyst. So one thing you can notice over here, all the jobs are analyst or associate level, right? Don't expect you will be starting to get paid say 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs rupees on the very first day. If in case you have that kind of experience prior to joining Wall Street School, then it makes sense. Otherwise, there is no magic wand that we can use in those 6 weeks or in those 2.5 months to transform your entire career, right? It's a very rigorous training that we provide you, but it is you and your prior experience and your prior education that ultimately speaks for you in the interviews. Okay, I hope I am very clear. If in case you have any doubts related to the placement process and profile, few weeks back, Himanshu sir and Manoj sir, the founder of the institute, have uploaded very detailed video on the placements about the salaries, profile, locations, job guarantees, and other things. You can watch that video. You can find the link for this video in the description box below, right? Now let us move ahead and let me address some list of recruiters that recruit to us. So for more information, you can visit thewallstreetschool.com. I'm just giving you a very small list. So Grant Thornton, EY, WNS, Moody's Analytics, HDFC Bank, Deloitte, KPMG, Wipro, Genpact, Deutsche Bank, Fitch Rating, Aurum, CRISIL, Evalueserve, JP Morgan, MQ, PwC, Resurgent, Thomson Reuters, Visible Alpha, Duff & Phelps, RCPL, WNS, Churchgate Partners, NDTV Profit, Cushman Wakefield, ICICI Bank, Deutsche Bank, and so many more. Okay, if in case you want to know the details about the live placement, what you can do is you can go to thewallstreetschool.com, click on the placements tab that you find on top. Once you click on that, scroll down, and you will see the live placement for entire year and years before it. So recently a student called as Diksha Garg got placed through us into a company called as Evalueserve, into a profile called as investment banking analyst. Before that, she was an MBA. Date of her placement was 16th November 21. These are her testimonials, and below is her Facebook as well as LinkedIn profile, or either of them, right? You can click there. You can contact these person and ask them about their placements. You can click on their LinkedIn or Facebook ID and message them privately and ask them about their experience. And if their experience was good, your experience most probably will be good, right? And you can find a list of all the candidates who have placed through us from all the way from last 3, 4, 5 years. So if you keep on scrolling down, you will see LinkedIn or Facebook profile of all the candidates, their testimonial, where they have been placed, pre-placement, what they were doing, and date of their placement. We are one of the very transparent players in the industry, so be sure about it. Right now, let me address the elephant in the room, the fees. See, the course is dynamic in nature, the content keeps on updating itself. Accordingly, the fees also keeps on changing. Right? So, for more information, you can visit thewallstreetschool.com. Let me tell you, there is separate or different fees for classroom camp, live lectures, as well as the online pre-recorded videos. What you can do is you can go to thewallstreetschool.com. I just told you the site, thewallstreetschool.com. After going to thewallstreetschool.com, you can click on, say you want to attend online, the pre-recorded one. So click on online and then financial modeling and valuations. Scroll down and you will see an area in the website called as duration in the fees, right? If in case you want to attend say classroom bootcamp, you can click on classroom bootcamp, financial modeling and valuation, and there also you will find duration and fees. Check this part for more information related to the fees, right? I'll attach this link also in the description, right? And for your information, the next live batch will start in just 6 days at the time of recording this video. So if in case you are willing to join this batch as soon as possible, go to the website thewallstreetschool.com and schedule your interview. Okay, with that being said, I'm stopping for the day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this addressed all the queries that you have. If in case you have any other queries, feel free to reach us at thewallstreetschool.com or in the comment section below. Thank you.